Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to do a quick 10-minute whip and chat on this wonderful painting I'm still trying to finish. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So let me start the timer. I never start the timer when I do the little intro. Just make it fair. Make sure the 10 minutes is towards me painting and talking and all of that for 10 minutes. So I noticed that honestly, I really don't touch this painting unless I'm doing the little whip and chat. What I've decided to do is whatever section I'm working on for these 10 minutes, especially since I keep using this painting for the 10-minute chat, I'm going to try to finish this section ahead. So maybe in the next chat, I'll be already in the new section. Just so this painting can get along, unless you're all fine, slowly watching this painting coming together. Leave a comment below if you're okay with that. If not, I have no problems, finishing a section and going on to the next one for the next chat, which means I'd have to paint a lot. But I don't mind at all if that's if y'all would like to see more progress on the painting, because honestly, I really don't touch this painting unless I'm doing a whip and chat or these lovely short chats. So yeah, I was just curious. I was thinking about it the other day. I was wondering, maybe people are getting kind of, I don't know, frustrated because you're not seeing the painting progress as quickly as you would like to see the painting progress. Says, yeah, I think that's the right wording. So yeah, I was just curious about it because I do notice, I have the painting on one of my side desks that I noticed, you know what, I really am not getting ahead on that painting. Let's see, if y'all would like me to get ahead and finish sections, or we just continue all trucking along, trying to see this painting all come together. Oops, sorry. Oh, and this pen, I wanted to just kind of show it real quick. I ordered this recently through Amazon, so I actually got it yesterday, and I've been painting with it pretty much for a while, actually, for other paintings. And yeah, I'm actually loving this pen, and it was really affordable. It was, right now it's discounted at $16.99. I'll make sure to put information about in the description below in case this kind of pen is your style. And the reason I really want to try this pen is because this pen has the little thread. Oops, sorry for the squeaky noise. As you can see, you can screw in either a multi-placer or a single placer. And I really wanted to test it because I had read that it's sturdier when it's one of these tips. So you don't have to worry about, if y'all have seen my previous whip and chat, I have my single placer just boop, fell off a couple times, and so it keeps it nice and sturdy. And yeah, it really does make a difference, and I'm really enjoying it. I really like it. It's a little thicker than I'm used to, and it's a little heavier, but after a while I've gotten used to it. And apparently this pen glows in the dark. I don't know why. And I'm not diamond painting really, in the dark, so that's why I really haven't seen the pen glow in the dark unless I check it. I'll have to turn off the lights and see if it really, to see. It probably does. I just want to see how bright it is that I could see the whole, glow in the dark part of it. I don't know. I just think the idea is kind of neat. I just don't have a reason for it to be glow in the dark, but that's fine. And it's such a pretty purple. So, and there are several different colors and everything. So like I said, I'll put in the description below, just in case, this kind of placement for the tips will work for you as well. It is for me. I've been multi-placing a lot more with no issue, and I really like it. So, and it's real comfortable, as I said. So that's why some of my paintings I've been getting ahead. As I said, I've been using this pen for the last couple hours, and I've been painting a lot because it's the weekend. Sorry, it was the weekend, and I got to paint a lot. So I really, really do like this pen. So the topic I kind of want to talk about today is about events. And the reason I'm talking about it is because I know we're getting close to the end of the year. And soon I'm going to do a kit up video of an event I'm going to do in January. But, as I had said probably in some of my videos before, I'm going to back out and not do as many events this coming year because lesson learned. I start so many paintings and I didn't finish a lot of them. So, as I said, it was my first year, so I was just so excited. Oh, look at that, there's events, and I really wanted to try them, but I slowly realized I am a really slow painter. And some of those events, if you wanted to, be part of the grand prize and all that, you do need a completion for the painting. And yeah, I couldn't do it. So I just put the paintings aside and I found the next event and I kept on trucking. So I feel bad that I have so many WIPs in my closet that I haven't finished. And since the majority of the events I had been signing up, a new start was required. That's why I decided, yeah, I'm not going to do any more events, and it needs to be a new start. I don't know, it's just something odd about it. And I mean, to each their own. I mean, if that's your preferred event, go for it. More power to you. But for me, yeah, I slowly found that's not my style. Which leads me to the next thing. I found out because I've been posting and spending more time on Instagram, because there's a whole wonderful diamond painting community as well on Instagram, that there was an event that got announced probably a couple days ago for the incoming year, and it is called, I wrote it down, I Spy DP 2025. First of all, I really love the name. And it's being sponsored by Kirby the Diamond Painter. I've been subscribed to her channel for a while, so I love a lot of things that she posts. But, I'm sorry, that they post, and I knew they before had kind of a bingo kind of thing that they started earlier this year. I didn't know about it. I didn't locate it till later on. That it's a year-long event, and this event is a year-long as well. And I decided I will sign up and try this one, because the neato thing is trying to remember the specific requirements. It does not have to be a new start. Yeah, that was the first thing I caught. Does not have to be a new start. And that's all I got. I should have wrote it down. That stayed in my head because I got real excited about it. Because if a new start is not required, then a lot of those WIPs I didn't get to finish this year, I believe I can use them for that event next year. And which will allow me to move forward and actually complete a lot of those WIPs I haven't finished. So, and they were just stating, stay tuned for more details and all that. So I'll have to wait and see if some of those WIPs that I have can be used for the event. Because I believe it's going to show, what... Actually, I'm not sure what it's going to show. It's a new event, so I'm not sure what the requirements are going to be. So stay tuned. I'll give you some more information when it starts up. And as I said, it's going to start up next year, so we might get some more info getting closer to the end of the year. I'm just really excited when I found out about it, that it's a whole year-long event, and I had never seen that before. Majority of events I've seen have been like a month or a couple months. Never seen a year-long one. And like I said, I saw that bingo one, but I was already too late to try to sign up for it. So I really want to start this one. And if it's as enjoyable and as a little bit more carefree about time, I think I'll probably just stick with just that event for the year. Because since I have so many canvases I want to finish, I'll always be working on a project, and I'll have kind of, I don't want to say deadline. That sounds really odd. Kind of like a goal. There you go. A goal that I need to do, let's say, I don't know, for the month, for the year, whatever, for this specific event. And I know that anything I'm working on, I can finish, and there's a light at the end of the tunnel, as the saying goes. Dramatically. I'm really odd about it. I think that's why I got really, really excited about events. Because I love the point that there's a finish line. That, you're not just painting for an event and that's it. And so I like that there's kind of a goal that, if you completed at this certain time, you can mark it as your completion and so on and so forth. And of course, prizes, because, we love prizes. And I don't know. It's just, this one just seems so fascinating to me. So, and I'm really hoping that if it's an event I really enjoy, maybe it might be an event I might keep doing year after year, every time it's offered. But it does not distract me away of what I have decided, that painting moving forward, I'm going to paint what I want to paint. Not so much, oh, I have to do this for an event. No, I don't want to go down that route again. So, I'm going to paint what I want to paint. It sounds so odd whenever I'm wording that. It sounds like someone's forcing me, like, you have to do events. I don't know what it is. It's, like I said, I just saw other painters doing that, so, you know, I wanted to be with the cool kids and try it out as well. So, and it's a good thing. I don't regret doing any of that. It had, you know, you have to try and learn, and there you go. Now I know, okay, a whole bunch of events isn't my thing, and lesson learned, don't do that. Find one that apparently is a year long. And I really wanted to talk about that today because I actually found out about that event probably a day or two ago, or a couple days ago, so I wanted to bring it up. So let me all know in the comment. Is there any event y'all are looking forward, you know, in the next year? Or maybe you might be interested in this kind of event as well, as I found out that it's a year-long event, which the idea of it is really neato to me. Just let me down below. Let me know down below. Just out of my curiosity and see if, you know, some of y'all feel the same as I do. And the 10 minutes are up. Woo, I did get a good section done. So, you know what? This section, it's so little. I am going to finish this part. And I'll make sure to put a picture and update it on both my Instagram and the community tab. Just so you can see how this lovely little house is starting to build up. And this section, this will be the next section I'll work on for the next WIP chat we have. So stay tuned for that. We're going to start a whole new section. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you could do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps the channel out, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful paintings we love to do. Cottages and all. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.